Welcome back to Behind the Sound of STEG. So today we're going to talk about this boy. DK200.6 competition amplifier. Wow, many award eh. I didn't know so. Since 1997. Wow. Annual EMA Thailand SQ champion. Annual Mecca champion brand. Annual recommended brand in Auto magazine. Annual 2019 top 10 imported brand of car audio. So many awards that's all.
This one is a powerhouse. SQ, SQL.
SQL. Seriously, honestly, I have not seen this amp before. Maybe the time I was with other brands lah, so didn't really take note of this fella. But come, Bernard, share with me. Who is this fella? This amplifier? I mean, how many channel power?
Oh, this is actually a 6-channel amplifier.
Okay.
Okay. So it has a 6-channel output, 6-channel input. Yeah.
6 channel. Oh, whoosh!
You see the
Zero
power?
gauge ah?
Zero.
Oh, no wonder lah. Wow, got this logo. Oh, Italy product. Wow.
And 6
Wow.
pure amplifier.
No filter? No what high part, low part, kick don't have?
No.
Pure amplifier.
Yeah.
Wow. The RC head also not bad eh.
This one is very hardcore, we call it.
Oh, so this is a 6-channel.
6-channel.
SQL, SPL.
SBL possible. Haven't tried. You want to try?
Maybe God, don't know who. Maybe someone's using, we don't know. But wow. Class?
Class D, of course.
They're quite heavy as well. Not a light thing eh. So this pure amplifier, it's not a DSP, no filter, no nothing, right?
No,
it's pure
It's
amplifier.
a pure amplifier.
A Class D amplifier.
Yeah.
But what's the power rating?
This badass 200 watts for 6-channel at 4 ohm.
200 watt 6-channel at 4 ohm. Are you saying?
So let's say you bring it down to 2 ohms. 2 ohm will be, if not mistaken, 350.
350. Sorry, I hear God. 200 watt 6-channel. Bridge mono 700 at 4 ohm 700 watt for 3-channel. The real one as well. Gila weh. No wonder get so many award lah. Then if at 2 ohm is 350 per channel, for the 6-channel. RMS wow.
This is the 6-channel one, yeah.
At 12 watt.
Yeah.
Means, wow, if I go higher, will it be more powerful?
No, haven't tried.
Haven't tried. Ayo, no. Wow, not bad eh. Oh, okay. So what
true or not? You can see for yourself.
It's really a badass, man. You look at all these coils, all these capacitors. A big boy capacitor there. Not some tiny boy. Hey, not bad this one. This one can blast cow. Wow, if I put my car, dig up three of this amplifier, I bridge all cow. I go ESQL already.
I scared your car cannot handle only.
I think my car will fall apart first way.
So this thing, I think, is not mistaken, right? So it's capable of accepting voltage up to 18 volts.
Up to 18 volts
So let's say you're installing this in a EV car. So it's actually very convenient for you to install this because certain EV cars, they will spike the current above 14, 15. So you can handle up to 18. So it's no issue installing in an EV car. So.
Not bad Wow, so if I have an EV car and 3-way, just nice. You get another one for the sub or what? Get a DSP. Ooh, not bad, this boy.
Just use this for the sub. You just buy 2 of these.
So I use this one for the SS10 lah. Boom boom.
Aha.
If SS10 is 2 ohm,
SSN is 2 ohm,
200 watt.
200 watt. Lingang lah.
Wow.
2 piece you can install
Okay,
2 piece. 2 piece of the SS10.
3 piece also can.
No problem.
3 piece, 350 watt. Or you do the maths lah. Wow, the whole car can fall apart But oh, not bad. This one. Oh, I never thought of this amplifier. We never really see this guy before. I think I'm not sure other countries, but definitely Malaysia. I never really take note of this fella before.
It's around the market quite some time already.
Wow, I'm only using the K series.
No, So this DK model, I think it comes with a few models also lah. The DK 500.1, DK 1000.1 is in the same family actually.
Wow, so means that one for 3-way, the other one for sub.
You can use this for the sub also, no problem. Actually, use this for the sub is actually quite good because it's a full range amplifier.
Pure amplifier, correct.
So normally when it's going full range, you are not limited by the filters, like the low pass filters restriction. Yeah. So like the DK 500.1, those mono blocks, they will have a low pass filter on top. So you have a restriction of frequencies around there.
Wow. It's worth it, no? Pure amplification. Well, it's class D. It's alright, but it's still a pure amplification thing.
And not limited to their bandwidth.
Not limited to the bandwidth.
As you can see, like M designs, right? You see, like those mono blocks, you can get very high power outputs, like those 500 watt, 1000 watt.
Right.
But in the end, there's still those low pass filter blocking it.
Limit
Limited. Yes, you can't actually you can actually use it for a full range system or speakers. You only can use it for subwoofers. So this 200.6 is actually a full range amplifier. So you get the whole bandwidth for 200 watts.
Wow. Okay. So those guys, ESQL, not ESQL, SQL, you want to play loud? You can look for Bernard. Get this installed. Make sure we
Anything for SQ, SQL,
SPL, we can play.
Whatever you can think of.
Just one stop solution. This amp. Yeah, Bernard, I hope one day that one customer, after seeing this video, will come in and say, hey, drop this in my car. And remember, invite me to come listen.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for today for this DK200.6. As you know, if you're looking for this amp, you can always come by Premium Audio Works. You know, he's doing pure stack. He's a pro stack shop. So anything. Stack specialist. Yeah, he's the ambassador and he's the technical guy. He installs lots of stacks lah. So you want to know about stacks more, you come here, or you just ring him up. Just Google Premium Audio Works. You can get all details about him. We see you again in the next Behind the Sound. Thank you, Bernard.
Now